Looking for a dependable way to keep your GPS Map 62s powered and within sight while driving? This automotive power adapter and mount kit offers a seamless solution that fits right into your car. It's designed to snap your GPS unit securely into place, so you can focus on the road without fumbling with your device. What sets this mount apart is its sturdy build and intuitive design. As a professional mechanical engineer, I appreciate how well crafted and reliable it feels. The mounting system snaps your GPS Map 62s in and out effortlessly once you get the hang of the retention feature. It's not complicated, just natural and secure, ensuring your device stays put even on bumpy roads. Some users have noted that the mount can come off the ball bracket if twisted too much, but that only happened during initial setup. After positioning it right, the mount stays firmly in place without any issues. The power adapter fits snugly into the GPS, giving you a solid connection that won't loosen over time. The first plug-in might feel tight, but it quickly becomes smooth and reliable. This kit is lightweight, weighing just under half a pound, and compact enough to fit easily in your vehicle without taking up space. The dimensions are practical, allowing for easy installation and removal. Whether you're commuting daily or hitting the road for a long trip, this mount keeps your GPS accessible and charged. If you're using a GPS Map 62s or any similar Garmin product, this adapter and mount combo is worth a close look. It's a simple upgrade that improves your driving experience by keeping your navigation device visible and powered without hassle. No more awkward mounting or worrying about losing power mid-trip. The secure connection and well-engineered design make this product stand out among other GPS mounts. It's built to last and easy to use, which matters when you're on the go. You get peace of mind knowing your GPS is safely mounted and ready whenever you need it. If that's you, someone who values reliability and ease of use in your car accessories, this automotive power adapter and mount is a smart choice. It combines convenience with solid engineering, making your navigation clearer and your drives safer. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your GPS setup. This kit offers a practical, no-fuss way to keep your GPS Map 62s powered and in view, so you can navigate confidently every time you hit the road.